Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Do you want to play your favorite YouTube video on repeat? If you're looking for it, here's how to loop any YouTube video on your PC, no extra tools needed. So first, open Google Chrome or any browser and go to youtube.com. Play the video you want to loop, then simply right-click directly on the video player. You will see a small menu pop up. So now click on loop. That's it. The video will now automatically repeat from the beginning once it ends. To turn looping off, just right click again and uncheck the loop option. This works for music, tutorials, background sounds, anything you want to keep playing endlessly. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.